Hi guys, one more pattern for this week. Scroll down here, we're going to go to Curbed. And this one will be released on Sunday the 9th of December. So we're like almost Christmas already. She's Louise. Looks like this one is interesting. It's not this gem part. It is this link part here. You can do it in a curve, you can do it in straights, and it appears that you make, I actually think I'm going to make this shape first, but anyway, she has us making two parallel lines kind of at an angle pretty far apart, okay, and then we're going to do this curve and this curve, this sort of corset or apple core sort of shape with this curve and this curve. So it's like what we did not long ago, just a few days ago, we did this shape in, which one was that? Cores 2. Cores and Cores 2, we did this shape. So it's a similar shape to that. It's like an apple core, right? With these straights on this side. And then again on this side. Okay, simple. And then we're going to do an arch here and an arch here. And then what we're going to do, which is how you get them linked together, is part of this arch is part of this. So you're going to do this arch here and this arch here, do another one here, here, and then you're going to do this straight line is this straight line. This straight line needs to be this straight line. So you're going to do another straight line here. And then this is part of this. So we're just going to do that again. I think that's how it's done. I'm not 100% sure because they don't show you another one in the step out, like how to get to the next where they're linked together. It really just shows you one, and then you kind of have to guess as to how to link the others together. I'm just looking in here and trying to figure it out. Like I see here and this straight, but I don't see a straight here. So I don't know how they're linked. I really don't. We're just going to have to figure this out on our own. I think we're just kind of winging it. Let's just see what happens. I'm going to follow the step out and learn along with you. If it's a total fail, then it doesn't mean that we've done anything wrong. It means that the step out is missing some information. So let's learn together and figure this out, okay? I'm going to put this closer to me than I normally do so I can really get a good look at it. I'm going to turn on my light. Okay. So I may actually draw a bit of this in pencil to try to figure it out and see if the steps are really helpful or not. So let's just do a simple chain across the page this way. I'm just going to do one and see what happens. So I think we need this shape. And it goes this way and this way. I'm too close to the edge. Okay, see, that's why you do start out your guessing in pencil. Okay, so I want one at this angle, and I want one at this angle, kind of far apart, right? And then I want, you guys are kind of far away, and you can't see because I'm drawing it light, but I'll go over it in pen. I'm just kind of playing with, that's the shape that we want. And then we want this same angle again. Here. It goes like that and it goes like that. And then, but that doesn't connect to that. But I would think that if this is this, and if this is this, then this would connect, but it doesn't seem to. It seems to be down. It seems to connect here, here and here, which gives you this and this. And then here and here. Okay, so then this is part of that. And does that go like that? Maybe. Maybe that goes like that. Is that right? You guys tell me, is that right? I have no idea if that seems right. I mean, it's really big. I did it big on purpose so I can kind of like play. I think it's right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to erase it, and I'm going to try and pen, and I'm going to try it a little bit smaller in scale. Okay. Let's give it a go. I have no idea. This may go horribly wrong. I really don't know. Okay. So I'm going to do one at this angle and one at this angle. And then I'm going to do a apple core shape like that. And then one at this angle and one at this angle. Okay, and then this goes like this. And this goes like this. So far so good. But then this is part of apple core shape. Something's not right. I'm already not right. Something like that. It doesn't show you, all it shows you is to here. It doesn't show you this part. It's the step out is missing something. If anybody knows Sandra and can get a contact with her and say, you know, exactly what do you do after you do step 6? Because I'm lost after that. I'm assuming it's this shape, but it's not right. Something's not right here. Because I don't have this line here. And if I go like that, that doesn't look right either. It looks better. That looks better than that one. So if I do that like that, and this up this way, and then this is like that, and this is like This? I don't really know. I'm feeling... Usually by now I can figure out a pattern. I mean, they're usually not that complex. For the life of me, something is not right. Because when I look at her sample, and I look up close at her sample, this line's not there. I don't think. But I'm not sure. Fudge. It's just unclear. That goes that way. There's a line that goes here all the way down to here. Like, this is more accurate. This is not accurate. So I'm just telling you right now, this is a fail. And it has nothing to do with us and our drawing skills. And everything to do with the fact that I think the step out is missing a step. That's not accurate either. That's not right. I'm flummoxed. I'm rarely flummoxed. But this is not the right steps to draw this pattern. It's just not. If I can figure it out on my own and do something different, maybe. But right now is not the time for me to figure that out, I don't think. Let me try something. I'm going to do it small, and I'm just going to try it. We're not going to end up with a finished tile, but I want to try something. Let's do this shape in a row. Okay. And then I want this to come over this and down to here. Over this and down to here. And then I want this. Yeah. Okay, let me do another one. Like, we're going to go off the edge of the page. That's okay. And we're going to do one here. Like, we're going off the edge of the page. I don't usually go off the edge of the page, but I think I need that. Okay. And then we need this. Okay, and then I'm going to turn it and do the other way. So that's coming from there. That's coming from there. This is coming from there. This is coming from there. And that's going from there. That's better. I'm not 100% sure that's accurate either. But for me, that's better. That's not quite right either. But it's better. So there's something missing from the step out. There's a step. It's like it stopped too soon. So if anyone knows Sandra and knows what to do after step number 6, if there's supposed to be a step number 7 in order for me to make more sense, please let me know. I would love to try this again. Or if anybody else has tried it and has been successful, and you want to contact me, you can get a hold of me through my Facebook Draw Tangles page, or tag me at Pattern Dash Collections in in the Facebook group. Or if you have a link to something that you know about, put it in the comments below. Because this is the first time in a very, very long time. Like, I have like 700 videos at this point. And this is the first one that I've really not completed because I can't figure out the steps. So I just want you to know that when you can't figure out the steps, it's not you. It's not you. I'm not blaming myself. I'm blaming the step out, because clearly the step out is not clear enough for us to figure it out on our own without having some sort of instruction. So there's something missing in the step out. Now this was better and easier, but it's still not right. So it's not the same thing as what it shows in the sample. So I just don't know how to get there. I just don't know how to get there. So if you guys have any suggestions, let me know in some way, shape, or form, either through my YouTube comments, through the Draw Tangles Facebook page, which are linked in the comments, through Pattern Dash Collections, which are also linked in the comments. Any of those things will get you to me, and let's have a conversation about this, because yeah, it's not you. It's not you. And if you were successful, let me know. I want to know how it's supposed to go, and that you were successful, and that what am I doing that I missed in the steps. I'm doing something wrong, but I don't know what. All right, you guys have a great day. I thought I was starting out good here. That looks exactly like step number 5 right there. And then I added step number 6, and then I didn't know what to do. I was lost. All right. You guys have a great day. I will see you guys tomorrow. Looking forward to hearing from you if you've been successful. And I will be back next week. See you later. Bye.